I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you, and I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. No, I wanna fall in love. No, I wanna fall in love with you. What a wicked game you play, make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do, let me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say, you never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do, make me dream of you. And I wanna fall in love. No, I wanna fall in love with you. Nobody loves no one.
I'm sure I don't need all these layers of background vocals for this tutorial, but I really love this song and I got carried away a little bit. Sorry guys. Welcome back to this channel, and here is another simplified song for you. Wicked Games by Isak, definitely one of the most romantic songs ever. It's very simple by itself. It only has 3 chords played in the same sequence over and over, so I will just show you those 3 chords and the way I strum it to make it sound kind of similar to the record or the unplugged version of the whole band. So we'll play it in the original key, which is B minor with no capo, and in the standard tuning, so the chords will be B minor, A major, and E major. So the simple chords. And B minor, as you know, is the bar chord. B minor or B minor 7. But so far on this channel, I'm trying to stay away from bar chords as much as possible. So here is the open string B minor 11 chords, a little bit improvised B minor chord. And I didn't know it before, so I kind of found this chord and I really liked it. It sounds kind of interesting, you see. So the first finger goes on a 5th string on a 2nd fret. Let's have sharp. The second finger goes on a 3rd string on a 2nd fret. And then the 3rd finger goes on a 2nd string on a 3rd fret. And we play starting from 5th string. Then the 4th is open. 3rd, 2nd, and the 1st string is open as well. So it probably sounds a little bit weird by itself, but see, in a context, it's very, very nice sounding chord. All right, and now the second chord will be just major A major. An A major chord, you know, all 3 strings on a 2nd fret. It's a 2nd, 3rd, and a 4th, and you can play in a few different ways. I usually play all those 3 fingers in a row, but some people like to do is like this. It doesn't really matter, whatever is more simple for you to play. Then the 3rd chord will be E major with the hammer on on that third string on the second fret. And A also might be released in the third finger. That's a variation of it. Right, but it's really it's an extra thing, so you can play it or you don't have to. They sound good, so, and it's easy to do. Strumming. Use your thumb for the bass notes, and the first bass note always should be a root note of the chord we play. So it will be this lower B, 5th string on the 2nd fret for the chord. It's already covered when you play the chord. And again, you play only B note for the bass, but oh, let me show you. So, but if you add the second bass note, F sharp, right here on the 2nd fret, 6th string, with your left thumb, it's really easy to do while playing this chord. It will sound fuller and more realistic bass-wise. Now, to make the song sound closer to the whole band version, we need to strum this simple constant pattern. We plug one bass string with the thumb, we do the up strum with the fingers, then when we're going down strum we hit the strings a little bit, and one more up strum. And when you hit the strings, don't try to hit really hard to the body of the guitar. You just have to hit some of these strings here so they accordingly hit the fretboard, and we get this soft brush snare sound that makes the percussive part of this strumming. So first bass note with the thumb, I'm sorry, up strum with 1 or 2 fingers, down strum with a slight hit on the strings, and fourth, the short up strum. Then the second bass note, and repeat previous steps. Then the second chord A, first bass note, is open 5th string. The second bass note would be like E, open 6th string. And the third chord is E, bass note E, so we hit the first open 6th string, E note. And the second is the 5th string. And that's about it. That's the whole bar of those 3 chords. First, you can practice the strumming pattern with just 1 chord, or you can even mute the strings and practice just the strumming without thinking of how your chords sound, you know, and so it's easier for your brain. Just train one hand. And then add chords. And one more chord changing tip that I usually give in every of my tutorials: change your chords on that up strum, on that last up strum. Do not worry about hitting open strings while jumping from one chord to another. That is totally perfect when playing chords on acoustic guitar. That's a tip for beginners. Mostly beginners tempted to stop even playing while they're changing chords, which results in gaps like this. So it doesn't have to be like this, and you see, I do. It's totally perfect to do the upstring when you change the chord. So don't worry about it. Even practice this. That will help you in the future if you're just learning how to play guitar. And of course you can enhance those chords. The A chord, releasing your third finger. And the E chord, adding your fourth finger to that third string on the second fret. Nobody loves no one. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If yes, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and follow me up. I was thinking to record the song in one more different way, maybe using a harp for the vocals. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.
What a wicked game you play, make me feel this way.